We rented a Karcher carpet cleaner and detailer from Home Depot. It was $24 for the day, $29 with tax, and it was totally worth it. If you've rented it and are not sure how to use it, here's a quick how-to video on how to set up and use the Karcher carpet cleaner and detailer that you can rent from Home Depot. This machine is made up of two tanks basically, the recovery tank and the solution tank. The recovery is the big white one on the top. You want to take that off by loosening the latches on the front end and the back end of the machine. Next, you add a cleaning solution to the tank. We used Folex because it's a no rinse solution, so we knew it wouldn't get too sudsy and get stuck in our upholstery. So we added about a cup or two of that, and then we filled the rest of it up with hot water. The directions say that the water cannot exceed 140 degrees, and ours certainly didn't. We just got it from the tap. So once you've put your solution in the solution tank, you can go ahead and connect the vacuum and the tool hose to the machine. There's the smaller attachment has it's called a male quick connect. You can pull back the connector, and I had to work it a little bit to get it to hook up properly. You want to make sure it's good and snug. You want to go ahead and put the big recovery tank on top and latch that on the front and the back. And then there's the big black vacuum hose looking attachment that goes on the very top of that big white recovery tank. So push that in really good, and then you're ready to plug it in and turn it on. When you squeeze the lever on the bottom, the cleaning solution comes out. So you want to get your upholstery or your rug nice and solutioned up. So the next step, depending on the fabric you're cleaning, since right now we are cleaning a very old seat from a 1989 Chevy Blazer, we are not going to brush this particularly hard. We're just going to lay down the solution and suck it right back up. But if you're using carpet, you could certainly use a scrub brush to get in there, or if you're confident that your upholstery can take it, definitely you want to use a scrub brush if you need to. The upholstery on this seats is original and seems to be threadbare in spots, so we didn't want to push our luck with that. So Dave sprayed on the solution and then he sucked it right back up. You want to do this until the water is no longer filthy, and that can take a while. But once you are done, or as done as you want to be, you could probably stand there for a day, really. But once you're done and you empty out that filthy, gross water from that recovery tank, you'll see how dirty your upholstery really was. Ours was disgusting. Totally worth the rental. It was $29 with tax. Totally worth the rental. I hope this helped you figure out how to use it. It was, once you got it all together, it was quite easy and it worked very well.